Welcome back. In this lesson, we are diving into a crucial part of the design process, and that is communication. All the hard work you put into your drawing doesn't mean much if the person on the site or the client can't understand it. To follow along, open the file annotation.dwg, which I have already provided to you in the resources section of this video. Go ahead and open that up. We will start in the Model tab. Before we draw anything, let's check our layers. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon and open the Layers panel. Ensure that you have two specific layers, that is the title block and the title text. Set the title block as your current layer. Now I want to draw a rectangle which would be representing my title block over here on the left side of my drawing area. Remember, the size of my rectangle I want to make would be 8.5 by 11 inches because that is the size of my printer in which I want to print this drawing. So I can use the line command and draw one line from here and specify the length of that line as 11 inches. Hit enter. You can see it's come here. Then go on the top and specify 8.5 inches. Hit enter. Then on the left side 11 inches. Hit enter and C for close, and my rectangle is ready. Now I want to offset this rectangle on the inner side. So I will type offset and hit enter, and AutoCAD is asking me the offset distance. I will type 0.5 inches and hit enter, and I will click over here and then click over here, click over here and then click over here, click over here and then click over here, and finally over here. Press enter to end the offset command and TR for trim, and I'll trim the unwanted lines like this. This is the inner border of my rectangle inside which we will be accommodating this drawing. Press enter to end the trim command. Now over here I want to write some text. Before that I'll create a kind of small division. So again I will type O for offset, and offset distance I will give as 1 inch. Select the object to offset and side to offset, and then I press enter. Now I want to write a text that what is this drawing about. So the text which I want to write would be office plan. So in order to write that text, we'll have to create a text style. So we click on annotation and we click on the text style. Over here, we'll click on new and we'll give the style some name like title text 1 and then click on OK. So here you have title text 1. I'll select the font as Calibri and make it bold and italic, and the height let us make it as 0.25 inch and press enter. Then I will set that text style as the current style and close. So now if you see in annotation, my title text 1 is the current style. I'll go into text and I will select single line text. I'll click over here. I'll give the rotation angle as 0 and then I'll type my text that this is a office plan. So I'll write everything in capital letters, office plan, followed by a number which I would like to give. So I'll give it some number like office plan 001234. Then I will press enter and again enter to end my command. Then I'll click on office plan. I'll get the grid, click on the grid and bring it at a decent location on the screen. So this tells that this drawing which would be inside is a office plan and the number of that office plan is so and so. This is the drawing number. Now on the top right corner, if I want to write some messages, so for that we'll create another text style. So I click on annotation, again text style, and I create a new text style and I give it the name like title text 2 and click on OK. Keep it as calibri, make it regular, and the height we will set it as 0.15 inch. And I'll press enter and I'll make that as the current style and then I'll select close. Again, I'll click on text and type multi-line text and specify my area over here. And here I can write my information. So I will write down notes and I'll write down my point, that is all dimensions are in feet and inches. Do not alter the dimensions. So any note which you want, you can write over here. And if you want, you can click on the diamond and increase the size of the text. And then you can close the text. Now you can click over here, click on the grid and you can accommodate it inside like this. Press escape to come out. Now our title block is ready. In the next lecture, I will show you how to insert this title block into the layout and bring our drawing, this entire big drawing which is there on the right side. I want to bring it in this tiny title block. So see you in the next lecture.